Hi guys! Good morning! It's 11:40 a.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 6:40 na ng gabi. So today guys, nagluto ako ng bangus steak. So, na-miss ko tong bangus steak guys. And of course guys, requested by my knock-knock. So, dito guys, yung bangus na nabibili sa Asia Shop, yung daing actually guys. So, ito giprito ko siya guys. Ayan. Pagkatapos, gilagyan ng pritong talong. So, this is my kind of guys. Actually guys, i-off ko na to guys kasi luto na to guys. So, ito ang aming ulam for today. Naparami na naman ang kain natin ito guys. Masarap pa naman guys. Oh. Ilagyan ko ng maraming chili garlic sauce. Ang sarap guys. Look guys, napakasarap ng Jonas Bangus steak. And of course guys, kapag ganito yung ulam natin guys, ano pa ba? Rice is life. So, eto guys, kain tayo guys. Babush!